Ever feel like traditional banks nickel and dime you with fees, offer confusing products, and leave you feeling lost in the financial wilderness? Yeah, us too. That's why robo-advisors like StashAway are shaking things up. But before you jump in, the question on everyone's mind: how much do I actually need to get started? Fear not, fellow finance warriors. Today's video dives deep into StashAway's minimum deposit, explores some smart investing strategies, and breaks down why this platform might be the key to unlocking your financial future. Let's ditch the minimum deposit myth. Here's the surprising truth: StashAway boasts no minimum deposit requirement for their core investment portfolios. That's right, you can literally start with a couple bucks and watch your money grow. This flies in the face of traditional investment options that often have high entry barriers, making them out of reach for many people. But hold on, there's a catch, kind of. While there's no minimum to enter the StashAway arena, they do recommend a deposit of at least $10 Singapore dollars, SGD, for efficient investment. Why? Because they invest your money in a diversified basket of assets, and smaller deposits make it trickier to achieve that diversification. Think of it like buying a pizza. You wouldn't just order one topping, would you? The more toppings, or assets, the more balanced and potentially delicious, or profitable, your investment pie becomes. The all-American advantage, for our USD friends. Now, if you're rocking some greenbacks, USD, there's a slightly different story. For USD deposits on StashAway, there is a minimum threshold of $10,000 US. This might seem like a steeper climb, but it's important to remember that USD portfolios typically invest in a wider range of assets, often requiring larger minimum investments from the underlying funds themselves. Beyond the minimum, making your money work for you. So, you've conquered the minimum deposit hurdle. Now what? Here are some killer tips to maximize your StashAway experience. Risk tolerance is your BFF. StashAway tailors your portfolio to your risk appetite. Take their risk assessment quiz and let them do the heavy lifting of creating a diversified portfolio that matches your comfort level. Think long-term. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't get discouraged by short-term fluctuations. Stay invested and let compound interest work its magic. Set realistic goals. Are you saving for a dream vacation, a down payment on a house, or a comfortable retirement? Having clear goals keeps you motivated and helps StashAway recommend the right investment horizon. Automate your wins. Set up recurring deposits to consistently feed your investment pot. Even small, regular contributions can snowball into impressive results over time. StashAway, the key to unlocking your financial potential. Look, StashAway isn't a magic money machine. But with its low barrier to entry, flexibility, and focus on long-term investing, it can be a powerful tool for anyone serious about growing their wealth. Remember, the best time to invest was yesterday, the second best time is today. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.